Okay, y'all. So my book draft just came today. So I'm doing a opening. Here we go. Let's see. Now this is the first draft of the hardcover. I am so nervous skated. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm like nervous and excited at the same time. I'm not showing the pages because you got to get your copy. It, again, released on Thanksgiving Day. So you got to order your copy so you can see the inside. But here we go. Why am I so nervous? Like I'm going to take a test. Oh my God. Wait. Okay, I'm scared. Wait, I see it, but I'm scared. Okay. I can't show you guys. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna be so extra. Wait. Oh my God, y'all. These are my pictures. Like, everything that's on this book is created by moi. My God, you guys, I wrote my cookbook. Hey, I'm trying to look at this. I'm doing a reaction without showing y'all everything because I can't show y'all. Y'all gotta get y'all copy. Hold on, let me look over here to the side. Okay, I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. Oh my God. I have been an emotional wreck, like emotional, because this has been a long time coming, like a long time coming. I've been writing this book since I lost my father in 2013. I put it to the side. Then I started really getting into the passion of cooking again a few years later, and I was creating recipes. Mind you, they were all stored in my memory. Some stuff I would get up, jot it down on my notepad. And then I lost my granny last year. Like, I'm trying to give y'all the gist of my heart. Like, oh my God, I was so nervous to release this because this book is not just a cookbook for me. Like, it's layers of my memories with those most important people of my life. Y'all, this is not real life. This can't be real life. The table of contents. I wrote a book. Okay. Oh, this is my writing in here. And mind you, this is my draft copy, so you're going to see the word draft. But I wrote this. Like, hold on. Like, days sitting at my computer, and I'm multitasking, you guys. I'm building a book on top of raising a little one, on top of taking care of my kids, on top of doing so much stuff that I do for Target, on top of doing so much creator content just in general, and I still was taking pieces of my brain and putting them on paper. It's a lot. And I did it like, oh, it's so hard to celebrate yourself when you're a person who's always giving. Like, I don't even know what this feels like. It's crazy to me that this feels foreign to me. Like, I don't know how to process it because I haven't ever really taken that time for me. It's a good space to be in. I'm thankful that I'm in this space. But let me, the table of content. Like, I can't get over that. I wrote something that has a table of content. Shut your mouth, shut the front door, and lock it. I got a table of content. This is amazingly insane that somebody finna be reading my words on the book. Y'all, I'm a little quirky, so some of the stuff that I wanted to say, I couldn't word it right because you got to know me to get the joke. But yeah, like, I'm a goofball and I love to have fun, but I also, again, the gist of my book, y'all, is to literally bring families back to the table. Like I told you all, growing up in Germany, growing up with my parents, I always remember being around the table with food. Like, I rarely ever ate out. We always sat together and we just talked about whatever came up. But we had those moments where we were bonding and loving on each other. And that stuff, when I lost my dad, when I lost my granny, like, when I lost these key people that was important in my life, that's what I remember. Like, that's where my mind went back to. It went back to those conversations at a dinner table. Like, and I just want to give that back to so many people. I want to give that back to this world because I feel like it's missing. Like, social media has stolen so much of our social. You know what I'm saying? It's so beautiful. Like, I had expectations, but this just blew the expectations. But even just looking at my draft, y'all, I wrote a freaking cookbook. This little goofball wrote a cookbook. Like, me, little old me. I want y'all to taste my food anyways when I cook live, but now all you gotta do is just go to the recipe and make it. And this is just volume 1. I could not fit all my recipes in this book. It just wasn't happening. But this is just volume 1. But I did it. I've been working on this since 2013. Side note, let me post this in a video. If you got something that you want to do and you need to do, go after it and do it. I encourage you. You can do it. I'm about to throw this book. I'm about to throw this book. Ain't nobody tell me to be grown out here in these streets writing good books. This is too much. Aww. I hope my dad can see this. And I don't know how life comes back full circle. Like, everything that you do, you're creating this beautiful life of work. And you just hope that in the end, or whatever people say things about you, or when you look back over your own life, that you love what you've done, what impacts you made, right? That's what I've always been. I've just wanted to make an impact. Something leave for my kids, something for people in general, just for us to be better people to each other, to truly hug each other tighter and love each other longer and be authentic. Be happy, be joyful. Like, it's okay to be happy. You can literally be a good person. It's okay. Make sure you get your copy. Thanksgiving Day. Thank you for supporting and loving me. This totally crazy goofball of a woman that I am. And hearing my heart, seeing my heart, and get your copy Thanksgiving Day.